You push the door, it opens wide. You hold your breath and walk inside. No one's been here for many years. The floorboards creak and groan, so it appears. What is that shape upon the stairs? It's only curtains, there's nothing there. But what's that noise? A sort of moan. It's just the wind blowing, it's not a known. Why did we come here? I want to go home. This isn't fun, I want my mommy. She said, never ever go to the haunted house. Never ever go to the haunted house. Never ever go to the haunted house. Oh no, oh no, oh no. Let's go back home. Now where's the door?